thinking, bring some in here and cut it.
That's what they're going to do.
We better go away from it before you come.
You know, another thing good about your house with it being that basement and the wood heater, your pipes are not going to freeze, see?
Right.
It's going to keep your...
As long as it doesn't freeze between here and up there.
That's what I was thinking.
Oh, now there's two out here.
It's buried about 4 feet deep, so I think we're below any kind of frost line. And with the snow, insulation, I don't think the ground will get that cold until
Well, Neil turned our pump and everything off, you know, where, you know, it wasn't...
They are, oh, look at that.
Andy wrapped our pump and the tank with you know, a roll of insulation, the big pink stuff.
Well, that's good.
You know they were so cold. It's not really that funny though.
No, you can't have this. No, you can't.
I've been trying to talk Andy into moving to Alaska.
No.
He won't do it now, Liz. You can forget that.
No, you can forget that now. Because he's not a frontierman type person to get out in the snow.
He thinks he is, but he's not. Hey, he nixed it. He said, I cannot do it.
I know he had a hard time getting back from Turner's today. Gosh.
He's gonna. How old is
Neil is 43.
Andy will be 50 this year.
You're kidding, really?
Yeah.
I'm 44. I was 44 in January, and